The mind has an incredible power to influence our reality. If you want to achieve success and live a fulfilling life, it is essential to reprogram your mind to focus on the positive and on the actions that will truly lead you toward your goals. In this video, we present 4 key strategies that will help you train your mind for personal growth, establish positive habits, and maximize your potential. Stay tuned until the end, as each strategy adds a crucial element to change. Each day presents a fresh opportunity to set a clear intention and consciously direct your mind toward success, ensuring that your thoughts and actions align with your aspirations. And direct your mind toward a positive state. Upon waking, take a few minutes to define a clear intention that will guide your thoughts and decisions throughout the day. This can be something as simple as, "Today I will be more patient," or "I will appreciate the little things." The key is to focus your mind on a purpose that influences your attitudes, setting the foundation to face challenges with greater resilience and calmness. To make these habits last, use the habit anchoring technique. This involves associating a new habit with an already established routine, leveraging the power of habit to facilitate its adoption. For example, if you already have the habit of drinking a cup of coffee in the morning, you could use those minutes to read a chapter of a motivational book or practice meditation. Associating a new habit with an existing routine increases the likelihood of it becoming permanent, since the new behavior integrates smoothly into your daily life. Visualization is a powerful technique for achieving goals, provided it is practiced actively. It is not just about imagining the final result, but about engaging all your senses to feel as if you have already achieved your goals. Take a few minutes each day to visualize the process of reaching your objectives. Imagine the effort you will put in, the obstacles you will overcome, and the satisfaction you will feel upon succeeding. This technique not only boosts motivation, but also trains your mind to recognize and seize opportunities aligned with your goals. At the same time, keeping a gratitude journal is an essential practice for maintaining a positive mindset. By writing daily about 3 things you are grateful for, you reinforce an optimistic outlook that helps counteract stress and negativity. You can include personal achievements, qualities you value in yourself, or simple moments that brightened your day. Over time, this exercise enhances emotional well-being, fosters a resilient attitude, and allows you to see the positive in any situation, driving you to keep moving forward. The content you surround yourself with has a direct impact on your mental state. The subconscious mind constantly absorbs information, which influences your beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors. It is crucial to be selective about what you read, watch, or listen to. Opt for inspiring books, motivational podcasts, or videos that encourage positive growth. By filling your environment with uplifting content, you reinforce a mindset focused on success and constructive thinking, contributing to your continuous personal development. Another strategy that can help solidify change is adopting the mindset of acting as if you've already achieved your goals. This technique involves behaving and thinking as you would if you were already the person you aspire to be. For example, if your goal is to become an effective leader, start adopting behaviors and habits that characterize great leaders, such as taking initiative, communicating with confidence, and actively listening to others. By acting with this mindset, you train your brain to internalize these qualities and facilitate their manifestation in daily life. Your physical and social environment plays a vital role in the success of your efforts to change. Ensure that your space is designed to support your goals. If you want to read more, place books in visible locations. If your goal is to exercise, set out your workout clothes the night before. Making small but meaningful adjustments to your environment can greatly facilitate the adoption of new habits by reducing the friction that makes them difficult to maintain. Additionally, surrounding yourself with people who share your interests or support your goals can be a great source of motivation. Engaging a progress partner or joining a group with similar goals increases your chances of success, as you will have someone to share your achievements and challenges with. Community support provides an accountability system and encourages you to persist, even when results are not immediate. Do not underestimate the power of celebrating your achievements, no matter how small. Recognizing the intermediate steps toward your goals reinforces positive behavior and keeps motivation high. You can reward yourself with activities you enjoy, such as watching an episode of your favorite series, going for a walk, or treating yourself to something special. Celebrating small milestones will help you enjoy the process, which is crucial for maintaining long-term commitment. Reprogramming your mind for success involves the accumulation of many small, consistent actions that, over time, produce significant results. Start your day with a clear intention, actively visualize success, carefully select the content you consume, and adjust your environment to push you toward your goals. Remember that small steps, even if they seem insignificant, add up to create meaningful change in your life. Authentic growth comes from consistency and the ability to adapt. It is important to regularly evaluate your strategies and adjust your approach when necessary. Do not be content with slow progress. Keep striving forward. Keep moving forward and continuously improving. Reprogramming your mind is not a destination, but a continuous journey of self-discovery and transformation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more content on personal development. Be sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips and strategies. Additionally, I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below sharing which of these strategies resonated with you the most, or if you have another technique that has helped you on your path to success. Remember, sharing is caring. If you know someone who could benefit from these tips, share this video with them. Together, we can create a community of growth and support. Never underestimate the power of positivity and commitment. Start transforming your life and those around you today.